I'm going to show you how to add comment on Trello. It's super easy, so let's get started. Open your board, I'm gonna use this one, and then choose the list. Next, click on card, and we would like to comment this card. So scroll all the way down, and here you can simply write a comment. Click on save, and that's it. This is how can you add a comment to your card. You can simply edit your comment, you can paste some attachment, and that's it. This is how can you do it. I'm gonna show you one more time real quick. So when you open your board, click on your card. You can also see the comment here already. Click on your card, and here you can write a comment. Click save, and that's it. And now you can see there are two comments on your list on your card. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a comment or like. And if you want to see more, subscribe to the channel. See you.